In this video, I'm going to show you how to clock in and out of the back office and web register for FranPOS. First, on any screen in the back office, select the profile icon at the top right. Then, on the first option, choose Time Clock. Here, select your name, as well as the department that you are clocking into. To clock in, enter in your PIN code. Then select Clock In. Once you are done with your shift and it is time for you to clock out, go through the same process. Click on the profile icon, then select Time Clock. Once again, select your name and department. Enter in your PIN code. This time, select Clock Out. Now, your clock in and clock out has been recorded.